Welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a farewell cake for my daughter's speech therapist. She is unfortunately leaving the practice that we go to, so this is our way of saying thank you and good luck. Let's get started. My 6-year-old daughter Natalie helped me with every step of this cake, so shout out to Natalie. This is a 6-inch vanilla cake with vanilla Swiss meringue buttercream. I don't know this therapist's taste preference, so vanilla is a pretty safe choice. Then I rolled out some white fondant and covered the cake with it. I smoothed it on with my fondant smoother in my hands and cut off the excess with a knife. I asked Natalie how she would like to decorate the cake, and she chose rainbow hearts. So at the beginning, I let Natalie cut out the hearts, and I used a fondant press mold to make the words Danke, or thank you, and Alles Gute, or all the best. In rainbow colors, of course. We placed the words on the cake first and just cut out as many hearts as we could at the beginning from all the rainbow colors of fondant. Once I was finally finished with the words, I helped Natalie finish making the hearts. Then I placed the words on the side. And Natalie and I placed the hearts together. This cake was so fun to make. Natalie's speech therapist was blown away. She absolutely loved it, and Natalie was so proud that she had helped make it. Well done, Natalie. We'll miss you, sweet therapist. For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.